Okay, so when we do the reaction, we collected the substance in the filter paper and the liquid drained through. If your liquid turned out to be cloudy, that's because it did not fully react before you filtered it. So that excess was in there. So anyhow, I'm going to pull this out. It's now completely dry. You can hopefully see that the precipitate, it's a white substance, and it's in here. When I put it on here, I'll get the mass of 2.69 grams, and I'm going to write that down. Okay, 2.69 grams. Now, I'm going to subtract the mass of the empty filter paper, which we weighed before we started, and then I'm going to convert that mass to, I'm going to convert that mass to moles. And I want to compare that number with the 0.0200 moles that we wanted to create in the beginning. So by elimination, we can figure out that this is calcium carbonate because we have four substances from this reaction. The four substances were calcium carbonate, sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. We know it's not carbon dioxide because carbon dioxide is a gas. We know it's not water because water is a liquid. The reason we know it's not sodium chloride is because sodium chloride dissolves. So it would not have collected itself like this. Sodium chloride would have been dissolved in the water and it would have gone through the filter paper. This was not dissolved. This is a precipitate. It's a solid that will not dissolve in water or whatever. And it stayed in the filter paper. So this is the calcium carbonate. So we've now created calcium carbonate, and you're going to look up and see what it does and where you can find it. And we can now figure out how many moles that we got. Remember to convert to moles. You want to find the molar mass of the calcium carbonate, and you're going to divide that out. So you have the grams of calcium carbonate divided by the molar mass. That'll give you the moles of calcium carbonate formed. And you can finish everything else now.